Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging the freezer and clearing a workspace, safety first. Once unplugged, remove shelves and drawers so you can reach the full seal. Use rubbing alcohol to clean the frame where the gasket sits. This improves adhesion and seating. Make sure the replacement gasket matches model and shape. Lie it nearby to confirm. Now, loosen the door screws slightly so the gasket edge can be seated. This first step prevents stress when you fit the new seal. You fit the gasket by starting at an upper corner and working around the door, pressing the lip into the channel so it seats evenly. Once the full gasket is in place, tighten the door screws incrementally. Tightening one side fully can warp alignment, so alternate screws and check the gap as you go. If the gasket resists, warm it gently with a hairdryer on low to soften the rubber. This helps it form to the frame. Make sure the door swings freely, and the seal appears even all around. You finish by testing the seal. Close the door on a dollar bill at several spots. It should hold with slight resistance when pulled. Once done, run the freezer and monitor temperature over 24 hours to confirm proper cooling and to spot any frost buildup that indicates leaks. If you see uneven gaps, reheat and reseat those sections, or slightly loosen and realign hinge screws. And if problems persist, check hinge hardware for wear. Replacing a warped hinge fixes many seal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.